Okay, so to start with MHT-CET 2022 engineering form filling, first of all, the website is cetcell.mahacet.org. So जैसे आप website पे click करेंगे, you will get to this page. Now on the top right, you will see click here for CET exam portal 2022 and 23. In this, try to locate MHT-CET 2022 on the left hand side of the browser. As you click on this page, the official website of CET 2022 will appear in front of you. Now click on new registration, scroll down, you will get some basic idea about the requirements of document and fees. Now accept and proceed on this page. Now this is the most important page. You need to fill all the details of yours in this page. Please remember one thing, you need to fill all the details in the order or in the, you can say, details mentioned as per the conditions. Like for the full name, you need to mention your full name as per the 10th and 12th mark sheet. Okay, like the same order that you have mentioned in your 10th standard, the same order of name will be mentioned here. Same with the case of father's name and mother's name. Now I'll quickly fill up the form, the basic details. So select the gender, then select the date of birth in the order DDMMYY. Then we need to select the religion. After this, we'll be selecting a region from which we belong. So you can select either of rural or urban. The annual family income option, you can left this option. There's no issue of if you left this option, so that won't be a problem. Mother tongue, yes, mother tongue is important criteria. Mother tongue is the exact mother tongue that is mentioned in your 10th ka LC. So please check your LC if you have the copy of the 10th ka LC. उस पर जो mother tongue लिखा है, please mention the same mother tongue. The reason behind this is कि there are many colleges जहाँ पे आपको mother tongue के basis पे you will be getting a linguistic minority quota. ठीक है, so please be careful. जो mother tongue का आपके पास proof है, please insert that mother tongue only in the mother tongue option. Now fill up the address. Now this address is just a formality. आप it's not necessary कि जो आपका एड्रेस आधार कार्ड पे है या जो करंट एड्रेस है वही फिल करना है. You can fill any of the address. This is just for the database. It has no concern with the application form or you can see the admit card. So we'll quickly fill up the data. Yeah, select the state. It's Maharashtra. District with Thane. Taluka is again Thane. Then village Mirabandar, okay, and pin code 401105. I hope you all remember your pin code. You can get the same address in the corresponding address also. Now this is the most important part. Please fill up the contact number on which you want the OTP to be sent. Okay, because you'll get a OTP right after the confirmation of this page. तो OTP आएगा, तो please be careful. Mobile number वही use करना जो आप daily use कर रहे हो या फिर you are currently using that phone. Please fill up the email ID properly. The reason is कि जो भी आपके conversation होंगे in future with respect to admit card or with respect to your application form, that will be through your Gmail. So please check your Gmail ID properly. As soon as you fill these two details, now as you scroll down, आपको यहाँ पे आपका password create करना होता है. First of all, before creating the password, we'll check the basic details again once. एक बार check कर लेंगे proper details पूरा. Candidate's full name, first name, mother name, father's name, address and all. Now you need to select the password. Please read the instruction before filling up the password. The password should have one uppercase, one lowercase, one special character and numbers basically. As soon as you fill the password, so आपको आपके contact number और आपके phone number पे you'll get a OTP. Please enter that OTP to verify. Okay, this is our OTP. As soon as you click on verify, you'll get a page registered successfully for MHT-CET. Now please note down that number. You will get a registration number. Like in my case, I'm sending the registration number to a student so that he might use that number in future. So this is the application number 2210. We'll be using that same number for login again. As soon as you click on that page, so you get log out. So you need to again log into the same portal by using the same application number. It's 2210 22524 and we'll use the same password that we have created. Now, as soon as you click on this page, your personal detail page is completed. Now you need to fill the individual detail. The state, do you belong to the state of Maharashtra? Yes, it's a state exam, so you need to select yes. Your category, this is most important. If you have any reservation like OBC, SC, ST or EWS, so you need to select that category. Okay, not EWS in this case. You just need to select open in case of EWS. Yes, you'll get an option here. Do you want to apply for EWS? If you have the EWS certificate that belongs to state of Maharashtra, then only you can apply for EWS. Please be careful. If you don't have the certificate, or you cannot apply for the EWS seat if you are not, you don't have any proof before 1967, or I can say if you don't have any residential proof here before 1967, then you cannot apply for EWS seat in MHT-CET. So please be careful. You can discuss the same with me before filling up the form. Like EWS seat is a typical criteria. If you have the EWS reservation, then only you can select yes in this case. Yeah, the next option will be enter caste name. So again, this caste is nothing but the one which is mentioned in your LC. So if you have the caste name on your LC, you can write it down. Like for this EWS, for the candidate from which I am filling up the form, he does not have the EWS certificate, or he or she is not eligible for EWS. The reason behind that is that he does not have a valid residential proof before the year 1967 in Maharashtra. So I will be selecting no in the case for EWS application. Okay, so we'll select no in do you want to apply for EWS? Then we need to enter the caste name as per the LC. Yes, then you have to select are you a person with disability? Now, then you need to fill the examination detail, like the past examination that you've already appeared to. In the first option, it was have you passed SSC or equivalent examination from India? I've selected yes. Then you need to select the board from which you have passed the examination. Then the examination year, like SSC, you must have been passed in 2020 or 2019. So you can select it accordingly. Now you need to fill the percentage. Then after filling of the percentage, you need to fill the basic details about the state from which you have appeared SSC, then the district from SSC, and you need to enter the school name. Like in my case, I'm entering St. Francis High School. The same details you need to fill up for HSC also, like 12th. Are you appearing or appeared? So yes, you will be selecting yes. Then only you will be eligible for this examination. So it will be yes. Next is HSC equivalent board. You can select the board as per your criteria. Next is college state. So it will be Maharashtra only. District, Thane. And Taluka, again you can say Thane. And you need to fill the college from which you are doing your HSC. So you can click on save and proceed. Now you get to next page. Now these are the MHT-CET examination detail. You need to select the subjects. Like I'm filling the form for engineering stream, so it is PCM. Okay, you need to select the language or medium of question paper. In most of the cases, it will be English only. So you can select English in both the cases. The normal language and confirmation also. Yes, as soon as you click the confirmation on the language of paper, now you need to select the center for MHT-CET. So you need to select the state first, like I'm selecting the state of Maharashtra, and as we reside in Mira Bhayandar, so I'm selecting the center in this order: Mumbai Suburban, then Mumbai City, then Thane, and then Palghar. You can select the center choice as per your requirement or as per your you can say availability. That won't be an issue. Now, as soon as we are done with, you can say, the details of examination, now we need to upload the photograph and signature. So I've already made the photograph and signature of the student for which I'm filling up the form. So you need to upload your photograph and signature. So just hold on a second. I'm uploading the signature and photograph for the same. Yes. So now we're selecting the photograph. Then there is an option open. You just need to click on this open. Now you can select the photo that you have created. So as I've created sign photo, click on that. Now the photo will appear in this box. Now click on upload. So this photo will get uploaded. Obviously this will be the same photo that you'll get on your admit card. Same process will repeat with respect to the signature. So we can select the sign, upload again. Then we'll get the signature and photo uploaded. Now we'll click on save and proceed. Okay, there is one more document that we need to produce, which is Aadhaar card. So click on the select document. You can select Aadhaar card. You need to upload the PDF copy of Aadhaar card, so please be ready with it. Like I've already created a PDF copy of Science Aadhaar card. I'll show it to all of you. Yes, there's a PDF copy that I already uploaded. So I've just uploaded the PDF copy of Aadhaar card, and then we need to click on save and proceed. Now, this is the final form. You just need to go through this form once. Please be careful and check all the details very minutely. Like it contains all the details that we have filled starting from step 1 up to this last, or you can say penultimate step. You are requested to please check each and every detail very carefully, because after this you won't be able to change any of the details. Okay, so in our case, we feel like all details are very much correct. So we'll go to the next and the last step, that is proceed for payment. As soon as you click on proceed for payment, payment gateway link will appear in front of you. Yes, it will ask you cannot make any changes after proceeding for payment. So yes, you can select on yes. Now you can select on the application fee. The amount for normal candidate is 800 rupees. Click on I agree and click on Razorpay to generate a payment link. Yes, so you can use any of the payment method to make the payment. It has all the options like debit card, credit card, UPI, and phone pay, Paytm, everything. Yes, you can select any of the gateway. Like in my case, I'm selecting the card payment. Okay, so now this was the final step. We'll just wait for the confirmation. Yes, the payment is confirmed. You can see your application form has been generated. Your application form has been generated. Below the application form, you can see the payment detail also. Please print and save this form as PDF for future references, because you'll be able to download all the further documents like admit card and all with the help of this admit card. So please save this admit card and have a copy of it so that you can use it for the future purpose basically. So this is the normal video how to fill up the application form for MHT-CET. In case of any doubt, you can connect with me through the comment, or you can directly call me on my number, or you can just drop me a WhatsApp in case of any query. Okay, I'll just share the form with the respective candidate. Yes, it's done. Okay, thank you so much.